This is how to use the law of attraction. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. First step is to believe in what you want so much that it has no choice but to materialize. And that's exactly what law of attraction is. You want it, you believe it, it happens. No matter why you want money, you are after a feeling. To let more flow into your life, you have to learn to cultivate those feelings now. The good news is we can conjure up a feeling no matter what our current reality is. This means no matter what you want, you can make it happen by following the law of attraction. Here is an iceberg showing that the law of attraction is just the tip of the iceberg. There are other universal laws, all the energy, vibrations, and frequencies that come together to make law of attraction feasible. Once you make a decision, the universe conspires to make it happen. Now, this is also exactly what law of attraction is. You need to make a decision on what you want, and you need to say that you have it so that the universe materializes it for you.